A very happy Teachers' Day to all the faculty members of Aravali College of Advanced Studies in Education. Due to COVID-19, this Teachers' Day is being celebrated virtually. And I, Anamika Shukal, would like to take this opportunity to say a few words. Teachers can change lives with just the right mix of chalk and challenges. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan was the first Vice President of India and second President of India. It was him who requested that instead of celebrating his birthday, we celebrate this day as Teachers' Day, and since then, we celebrate the 5th of September as the Teachers' Day. गुरु गोविंद दोऊ खड़े काके लागू पाए बलिहारी गुरु आपने गोविंद दियो मिलाए. We all have heard this famous doha and we all know what it means. Even if we have a choice between the God and the teacher, it is the teacher whom first we should give our regards to. It is the teacher whom we should consider the first person who is the most important person who taught us or who helped us in reaching the God. Just think for a moment, what would life be without teacher? No classes, no lecture, no life lessons, no homework, no punishment. But even if we give it some more thought, if we think deeply, life is incomplete without teachers. Teachers are the main pillars of our life, who teach us, who prepare us for what life is going to throw at us in all the different stages of life. The lessons we learn, the experience we gain, it is all for our own benefit. Remember that without Guru Chanakya, there could be no Chandragupta Maurya, and without Guru Dronacharya, there could be no Arjun. It is because of the Gurus that these Shishya could be these people that we learn about in our history. India is known for its Guru Shishya Parampara. The importance of a Guru in the life of a disciple is such that it is a life-shaping process where the Guru is so important and the proper dedication of the student towards the Guru, whatever the Guru is going to tell us, teach us, has to be received by us in the same way, in the same dedication for us to achieve success. In present times, in modern times also, teachers are very important. The Guru Shishya Parampara, however, seems to fade away, but still, teachers are the pillars we students depend upon to move ahead in the right direction. As they say, the influence of a good teacher can never be erased. When I came to Aravali College of Advanced Studies, I never knew I had this kind of personality. The teachers pushed me, asked me to participate in events and bring out the host in me. I never knew that I could be a host or host events like this because I thought that I had a shy personality. But it was all with all the due respect to our teachers that they pushed me to participate, to take part, and they helped me in developing my personality. Thank you from the bottom of my heart for guiding me, for building the confidence in me and pushing me to keep doing better and better. It is our principal, Dr. Anshu Agarwal ma'am, who, with her words full of wisdom, always teach us to learn more and more. Vice Principal Dr. Vandana Deep Sharma ma'am is such an inspiring personality. She teaches us all the difficult concepts with lots of ease and patience. Vindhya ma'am has always taught me to be more disciplined, not only in class but in life as well. Meenu ma'am has always made sure that she asks us questions so that we stay awake in her class and make sure that we take in all the details that she is giving us. Preeti ma'am, thank you very much for providing us with such tips and tricks to write our answers properly. Ma'am, you always make sure that we write our answers in a proper manner. Thank you for putting it that extra effort of asking us to do the things in certain steps so that we attempt our answers properly. Jitendra sir, without you, no function is possible. And now that we are taking online classes, thank you for helping us with all the technical issues that we have. Thank you so much. Neetu ma'am, you have the most infectious smile. Even if you scold us, you smile and then everyone is like, oh ma'am, aapki smile kitni pyari hai. Thank you so much for smiling like a sunshine. Gunan ma'am, thank you for teaching us how to conduct the assembly properly and for pushing us to participate more and more. Mamta ma'am, thank you for never losing your patience while taking our attendance. There was n number of times that students come again and again for attendance, but you make sure to take their attendance without losing your patience. Thank you very much. Sarita ma'am, thank you for giving us deadlines for the files. Otherwise, it could have never been completed without those deadlines and without those constant telling us ki do complete your files, show it to me. Thank you very much. I'm thankful to each and every teacher and faculty member of Aravali College of Advanced Studies in Education for making this teaching learning process such a memorable journey. Thank you.